I'm Raymond Wong. I'm the director for the Singapore operations for KOEI TECMO. My experiences at the Fusion Show have been tremendous and great. I always have a great time interacting with the students from NYP, especially seeing their works and how enthusiastic about in terms of showing off what they have done and what they have learned. And I think especially when I meet up with the teaching staff too, they're also very happy to see that, once again, they have come up with a batch that's even stronger and doing better. Well, we have very good experiences working with your graduates. Some of them, they, upon graduation, decide to apply to us, and we actually have quite a number of these students, graduates, who have actually joined us. Some of them decide to go on for further studies, but invariably when we find that at a later stage when we hire them from UC, where do you come from? Oh, we come from Nioh Polytechnic, SIDM, and they are from their school. Now we understand why we can see that great quality in you and why we can see that resonance and stuff. And so it's always good that eventually after their further studies, they also decide to join us, and we can sense that it's due to the foundation they've had in NYP. I think it will be a very interesting experience, right? I think in the past when we have at a physical show itself, obviously I think it's very taxing on the logistics perspective, and also I think for the audience to be able to walk through, and we can also sense sometimes some students would like to have more exposure, some students may be a bit shy. Perhaps an online experience will help to break those barriers themselves, that the students can now directly appeal without being feared that there are people around, and obviously also for them to repeat the same things over and over again to different people too, right? Would be tremendous for them too as well. And then for us also, we will then have the also luxury to sit down not only for ourselves, for the people who can be physically there, but also share among our own staff, as in in terms of searching for suitable candidates. Definitely, I think this is something that even if we were to go back to a more physical way of doing things, I think we can't ignore the online element being advantageous in those respects.
Hello, I'm Chen Fang, CG Manager from KOEI TECMO Singapore. I'm a graduate from Nanyang Polytechnic, Digital Media Design in the year 2000. First off, I would like to congratulate the class of 2020. It has been a tough 3 years, I believe. But if you are seeing this video, I believe you would have succeeded in clearing all the modules that you need to. We have a number of top students from SIDM joining us, namely Xiangyang, Elwin, Jieling, and Wendell. These guys have been contributing to a lot of fantastic, interesting titles which we have been producing. For example, the Dynasty Warriors series, the Dead or Alive series, and even the recent award-winning Nioh series. They had been being very professional with the way they deal with their work, on top of being excellent in creating the CG assets that is required. I think going online, it actually makes it very convenient and easy for both the students and for the clients. With the recent trend where everything is going social, it becomes easier for the students to actually sell their products and sell themselves to the whole world. The world has really shrunk. It has become so small. And from the employee's point of view, it makes it so much more convenient and easy for us. Being busy with the office work, I can actually just with a click of a button go online and view the students' excellent work.
See you at Fusion!
See you at Fusion!